Linea Murano Art is pleased to present a new and unique experience designed for individuals or families who wish to enjoy the unforgettable thrill of creating a personalized Murano glass masterpiece. As many know, since 1291, the magnificent art of artistic glassmaking has flourished in Murano. Over the centuries, it has been enriched with new techniques, innovative processes, and vibrant multicolored glass, creating unique effects in glass paste and modern art pieces. At the same time, it has preserved the simplicity of crafting classic items such as chandeliers, glasses, and objects once used daily by Venetian nobles for domestic purposes. After a roughly 15-minute ride in a private taxi boat, the students will arrive on the island of Murano, home to our company, where they will have the opportunity to create an artistic glass piece. The master glassmaker, after dipping the steel rod into the crucible and gathering a sufficient amount of molten glass, proceeds to the second phase of the process by coloring the transparent glass with colors previously chosen by the student. By simply rotating the molten glass over the colored glass, a vibrant glass mass is created, which will then be blown and shaped to produce a multicolored glass tumbler. At this point, the student, equipped with a special sleeve and protective glasses, begins shaping the glass to achieve a uniform mass. By rolling the steel rod and using a specific tool called a maiasso, the student must compact the glass, which will then be blown. This step is essential and is performed in the production of any object in Murano, ensuring the glass achieves uniformity for subsequent processing. Poor execution with the maiasso will compromise the final appearance of the piece and increase the difficulty of meeting the required quality standards. The maiasso tool is crafted from pear wood, which is extremely hard and heat-resistant. It is kept wet in a bucket of water, resulting in the characteristic steam puff that occurs when the molten glass is shaped. The student must now focus on creating the glass piece, in this case, the tumbler, while being assisted by the master and their helper. The use of the bossella, a Venetian term for the steel tool, is essential for shaping the molten glass, which at this stage has a temperature ranging from 750 to 950 degrees Celsius. Using the bossella, the student must narrow the tumbler, as it will later need to be detached from the first blowpipe and transferred to the second one, reversing the side to be worked on. During this phase, the blades of the bossella cool the contact area, making it easier to detach the glass from the blowpipe. After transferring the piece to a new steel blowpipe and rotating the tumbler, the student must insert the blades of the bossella into the opening and gradually widen it, aligning it with the size of the base to create a cylindrical tumbler. The blades have been pre-treated with a special beeswax to ensure the glass slides smoothly over them, minimizing the appearance of streaks inside the glass. An experienced glass master performs this operation in a single attempt. Students, however, need to open the tumbler in multiple steps. Therefore, the tumbler is placed back into the kiln and reheated to make the glass malleable again, allowing the shaping process to continue. The student has chosen to create a tumbler with a knock shape and proceeds to press the sides of the glass, forming small indentations. These indentations are very practical, as they make the tumbler easier to grip during everyday use. A final touch-up is made to correct any minor deformations, and the tumbler is finally ready to be placed in the tempering oven. It will remain there for about 18 hours, allowing it to cool gradually. This process ensures that the tumbler can be safely used and even washed in a dishwasher. At the end of this wonderful experience, the master glassmaker allows the student to take a photo together as a memento of this memorable day in Murano. At the end, the student and guests will be welcomed to our gallery to admire the finest collection of Murano glass created by the most renowned glass artists. The items created by the students will be delivered to the hotel the following day or shipped directly to their home address. Linea Murano Art is delighted to welcome you to the company and share this wonderful experience with you, making your trip to Venice truly unique. Don't forget to book in advance, as availability should always be confirmed and the time slots are limited. Thank you for following our presentation, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Linea Murano Art.